everyone, my name is Molyvann. I am 6 years old. Today I want to talk about how the leader can help us all work together. When leader unite us, we can do amazing things. Number 1, be kind. The leader are kind and help everyone feel happy. When we are kind, we want to work together. Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. How are you today? I'm fine, and you? Number 2, listening. Good leader listen to our ideas. When we share, we feel like a team. Number 3, helping each other. Leaders show how to help our friends. When we help, we all feel good inside. Number 4, having fun together. The leader make activity fun. When we have fun, we want to join and be together. Sit down. Someone say run. Stop. Someone say stop. So the leader unite us by being kind, listening, helping, and having fun. Let us be great leader and work together. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.